I've noticed that over 90% of you guys watching my videos aren't subscribed. So please help me out. Get me to 1,000 subscribers by subscribing down below. Anyway, let's get into the video. So as you guys you might say, maybe some of you have seen, others haven't. This was my stock portfolio across all my accounts for the month of November. And so you see it was $159,000 at the start of November. Now, if we see start of December, it has grown quite a bit because over the month of November, Tesla continued to go on a rampage. So yes, over the month of November, going into December, Tesla continued to go on a rampage. If you see it in the graph, my portfolio has literally just gone straight up. There was a point where we did cross over $200,000. We actually hit $215,000 when Tesla hit its peak all-time high. But obviously, since then it's come back down. So now the current price, as the time of recording this, is $403.84. And because I have 453.5 shares, that leaves me with a portfolio of $183,000, which when you put in my cost of $236 a share, we have a return of 70.59%, which isn't too bad considering I'm just about weeks away from I will hit my 4-year anniversary for investing next week. So that's not too bad. It's actually slightly beating the market. So if we go into the buys for the month of December, not November, this is for the month of December. We got one share at $371.90, one share at $419.75, and half a share at $419.84, one share at $440.76, and another share for $452.80. So that leaves me for this month of December. So I've bought 4.5 shares, which is a lot less than I have in previously. If you look at previous months, I bought 10 shares for the month of November, and I bought 20 shares for the month of October. But obviously that's mainly because of the price increase, and yeah, it's become a lot more expensive to buy shares now. So in total this month, I have put $1,895 new dollars into the portfolio. Unfortunately, for my buys this month, I am down minus 4.11% because I've just been buying whenever I got my weekly paycheck, just been chucking it in there, just buying a share here, you know. So, and we have had a bit of a correction from its all-time high. So for the month of December, I am down 4.11%. But overall, for my portfolio, I'm still up 70.59%, which is really good. I'm really happy with the trajectory. January, all I'm going to say now is January will be a very big month for this portfolio. I am getting a nice, not only a pay increase from my work, I'm also getting back pay for 2024. So I should be able to invest about £5,000 in January. So that's about $7,000. So if Tesla doesn't decrease too much, you know, this could be, you know, just with money I'm putting in, we'll go from $183,000 to $190,000. So who knows, right? Tesla, you know, who knows what Tesla's going to do? It really depends on delivery numbers. If you want to see what my predictions for delivery numbers are going to be, I've also just made a video. I'll link that at the end of the video. And I will also be doing a deep dive into their earnings report, Q4 earnings report, when that comes out later in the month. So stay tuned for that. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.